Hello and welcome to another video. Now this bike has already been advertised. I did a short video of it riding around, etc. A little while ago, but I've been asked by a few people would I do a short close-up video of it, running, starting, etc, etc. So here it is. It's a 1966 Triumph TR6SR. It's an American spec bike. It was imported back from America. I can't remember now whether it was in 2020, 2019. Anyway, and it was completely rebuilt. Every part of it was rebuilt, either restored, renewed, rebuilt. So mechanically, this bike is it's brand new. It has been gone through, everything's been gone through, the cycle parts have all been gone through, the engine has been completely rebuilt. There's a list of items that have been done to it, things that have been done to it. As you can see, it's not entirely original. It has been built in the style of an American desert racing, desert sled bike. It's been done very, very well, properly by a renowned builder, very well known in the British bike rebuilding marketplace. Again, there's a list of things that have been done to it in the listing. It's absolutely spot on. It starts perfectly, runs perfectly, rides perfectly. It is as close as you will get to a brand new rebuilt 1966 Triumph TR6. It's obviously historically taxed. It's a historic tax group, so it requires no MOT, and it's free of charge tax. So please watch the video. It's faultless. There is nothing wrong with the bike at all. It does absolutely everything as it should. Don't have any qualms about coming to see. You can either come and see it, or you can arrange for a courier to pick it up. This bike owes me over £11,000. The only reason I'm selling it is because it's my own bike. It's the only reason I'm selling it is because I just don't use it. It sits in my garage and it's probably done 20 miles since I've owned it. And but even you go to it and it starts up, it just doesn't miss a beat. But you could not have one of these built for less than about £15,000. If a British bike shop were to build this bike, it would cost you upwards of £15,000. So, you know, please don't send daft messages saying, oh, you want 10 grand for it, blimey, 10 grand for an old bike. It would cost you getting on that just to have the bike rebuilt. There is a very similar bike actually, just recently advertised on eBay, but it's more standard. But it's a nice little looking bike, but it's the same money. The guy's after £9.5 grand for it, I think it is. And it's quite nice. This is you either love it or hate it. But this is mechanically absolutely spot on. You can ride this anywhere, jump on it and ride it. I have no qualms about it. It pulls like an absolute train. It's a proper bike. Right, I will start her up and run it. You'll see from me sitting on it, I'm 5'10". I've got an inside leg of about 30 inches, something like that, and I can sit easily with my feet flat on the floor. That was another question I've had about it. It's a nice low seat height bike. It's nice and manageable. There we go. there you go. That was a cold start, and she's now idling beautifully. Let's take this and show you around it a little bit better. As you can see, it doesn't smoke, doesn't rattle, it just runs faultlessly. It's just a beautiful, beautiful bike. I haven't washed it, it's dirty as I used it last time. When I bought it, it had straight through pipe. I put some baffle inserts in it, which has just quietened it down to make it reasonable. It still sounds absolutely beautiful, but it was silly noisy before. So there you go. That's the mileage it's done since it was built. 36 miles. So there you go, just an absolutely spot on bike. Doesn't need anything doing to it, it's ready to go, ride it anywhere. As good as any you'll find, and it's certainly not expensive at 10 grand. Thanks for watching.